I think I got it. I think I got it, guys, man. This is the last part we need before we get them bags off and get that thing started and sounding and looking good. So we just pulled back up to the house, man. Y'all see the i8, man. This dude always freaking come doing this. Like, all right, man, you know I got the i8 saving gas, looking good and all that at the same time. But oh my God, this blue bike, so fun riding on this thing, dog. Got the tools for the black bike here. Gonna take off the bags, take off the tour pack, and just try to get this thing looking a little bit better. And then we may be able to get a first start for you guys, so. Alrighty, guys, we got that tour pack off. You guys can just see these guards really need to come off. We need different guards to really make this thing look really, really good. But the bags actually have freaking like leather covers over the top of them. So we could probably snatch those covers off. I'm sure the top of those bags are clean and fresh black. Kind of want to do that, take off these guardrails, but might just leave them on for now at least. But we'll finish getting this thing cleaned up and looking good and try to get that first start, man.
What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enrich Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it and you could too.
Alrighty, guys, we got this thing somewhat cleaned up, looking better. The chrome is definitely shining now for sure. Got them bags off. Definitely need to pull this off right here. I'll be pulling that off momentarily, but I think it is time for the first startup, guys. That chrome is hidden. We definitely need a chrome treatment, but like I said, it's time to see if we can get a first start on this joint. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, cranked right up. Yes, sir. Wow. How long has it been? This thing has been sitting since about right before Christmas. 2 months. Been in the dirt, mud, rain. Cranked right up. Got them Reinhardts on the back of that thing. I'm digging it. That black is pretty clean, though. That chrome's shining, dog. That chrome is shining. I'm digging it. Let's see. I'm digging it, man. Woo! That thing is clean. Yeah, man, I'm digging it. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. I'm about to bolt this seat up and freaking try to take it around real quick. pipe sound good on this joint. Alrighty, now that we know that thing is sounding good and it's running on our own dime, you guys already know how it goes. So that thing panned out really good. The pipes actually sound pretty good on it as well, so that's a plus. The headers on it, everything. It's like when you hit the throttle on this thing, you just hear it way louder than this one. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw these bags back on. Wonder how we can get this freaking top leather part off. Oh, I think it just goes like this. But yeah, looks like we'll take these leather things off and get these bags back on there, man. And just like that, guys, we got the bags on there. Bike is looking really, really good. It's looking like so far we are just needing a outer fairing. Oh, I still got it on. We are needing an outer fairing. That should be pretty easy to find. We may be even able to find it with this little silver pinstripe. Looks like we got to get a new fender, but knowing me, I was probably going to go get another 21 and then just get a wraparound for that. But all the chrome pieces and everything looks really good. It actually has extra speakers on the fairing, so that's a plus there. Got them bags on. We took those leather covers off that was over the top, so now this thing is really looking really good and shined up. Now if you want to make this bike look like my bike, it's a few little things you'd have to do. Get rid of these little guardrails right here. As you guys see on mine, I don't have them, but not that hard at all. Get rid of these big bulky fog lights. Get the regular street glide lights that goes right on the side. Probably paint these fork legs. Just get some chrome fork legs because the whole bike is chrome. It'll be that much easier than to black everything out. So I would keep this bike chrome. Just get some chrome legs and go from there. But all in all, man, it is pretty fair, man. What are you guys thinking about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. Probably gonna wrap it up for today. Park this thing and figure something else out. But looking good for now, man. What y'all think? Alrighty, got these things loaded back up, looking real good side by side, man. I am digging it. So now we can pretty much start ordering parts for it, see what we gonna do. Definitely gonna keep the chrome, not gonna black it out, but we'll see, man. Stay tuned. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We went to go pick up the bike. We got it all cleaned up. Got the tour pack off, got those bags on, looking good. We definitely need a new front fairing for that, but just from riding it, that's literally maybe all we need. So we'll see how that works out, but that chrome is hidden. I am digging it. I am digging it, man. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. Scored this thing locally. This was the closest bike I ever freaking bought and went to go pick up. So that's always a plus. It does have some nice Reinhardt exhaust on there. Some nice 2-in-1 headers. So I'm loving it, man. We definitely got to throw our mix on it. So depending on how long we have it, we'll do just that. But without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Got the blue bike back there. That thing is pretty much going up for sale. So if you guys are interested in either one of these bikes, man, make sure you hit your boy up, everythingsregular.com. Hit the contact section. Make sure you go subscribe, man. But until next time, guys, I will catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.